Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make an account on Klaviyo. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the website, which is www.klaviyo.com. You have to go on it, and here you have to click on the sign up. If you already have an account, you have to click on the account, but if you want to make the new, you have to click on the sign up. And here you have to fulfill all these requirements. First of all, you have to enter the email, then you have to enter the password and company name, and also add the company website. Here you can enter any of these like Shopify and which you want. And in the last, here you have to enter the phone number, because I already make the account, so I don't need to add the country, province or region. Once you make it, you have to click on the create account and your account has been created. So yeah, this is how you can make an account on Klaviyo.